Great job. That's how we do it.
When he stuck his head up, I said, okay, that's it.
Yeah. We didn't have time to stab a decoy.
You had a boyer.
That was intense, wasn't it?
Yeah, man.
Sure was.
That was beautiful. I got it all on video.
Awesome.
Him strutting the whole way up the road.
I thought he was coming down here, and all of a sudden I see his fan down
Yeah, I was thankful that he came up the road.
Yeah.
I tried to video it, but I was behind all that stuff, so.
I got great video.
Okay. Another big bird.
Oh yeah, he's a beauty. Holy smokes, that was intense, wasn't it?
Yeah, man. Way to adjust the tactics and get it done, man.
That bugger was roosted right there the whole time last night. Let's go check this bugger out. Did you get to see him coming up the road? See how white his head was?
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Big old beard on him.
Look at his beard, yep.
Beauty. The video's awesome too. He
Oh,
comes
yeah.
just
Beautiful fan.
just
Awesome.
peeling up that road. It was awesome. Strutting back and forth.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful bird, Jay. Way to get it done, man. That's a
That was awesome, huh?
Goulds turkeys are everything we'd hoped for. What an experience.
We didn't even have time to throw the decoys out on that deal, did we?
No, we were hiding behind the trees.
That's right,
running
that's
and
right.
gunning.
Let's sit down and get it done.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, so, oh man, he was looking for love this morning. He didn't quite find that, but
Nice
Fell in
job.
love with a Benelli.
that's
Yeah,
right,
it did.
that's right, that's right.
Fatal.
Is that a double beard? I can't tell if it's just splayed out or...
Split out.
Yeah.